Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an iPhone 13 Pro that is water damaged, and you can see there's some condensation underneath the camera glass and the display is broken. So you can see here that the display is just showing us white noisy image, so it's just like a glorified flashlight at this point. Then we're going to remove the two pentalobe screws on both sides of the lightning connector, lightning port, charging port, and then remove the display after we have done that. Also gonna slowly lift from the right side of the display when you're looking directly at the display, because all the connectors are found on the left side. So when you try to do this on your own, try to lift it up from the right side. Soften the adhesive. Also lift up the display here. You can see the cracks on the display on certain angles. Just gonna lift it up, then slowly. It's not gonna give up just yet. Also gonna slowly slice it from the side. Still very stubborn, and then lift it up 90 degree angle. You can see the components here. We're going to remove some screws that are holding onto the connector for the display. There's a few of them. First, we're going to remove these 3 screws. Put them to the side. They're very tiny. Actually, there's 4 of them. Then lift up the connector for the battery and the display. We have removed the display now, and we're going to remove the plate that covers the camera systems. It is very important that we do this so that the moisture underneath the camera glass can be dried off. You can see there's some moisture over some metal components. They're quite a bit stained, but nothing too catastrophic just yet. Later on, we're also going to clean off the main board using our magic cleaning tool. David has not shot or recorded that part because the tool is on a different table. So we're just gonna show you the basic disassembly and cleanup operation on this iPhone 13 Pro. Also gonna blow some clean air on the camera glass, make sure it's clear and dry so that when we reinstall the camera system, it's gonna be problem-free. Also gonna dry off all the components that can be problematic. Next up, we're gonna test if the display is even working with the main board. I'm gonna install the cameras now, because I think iPhones won't turn on if some components are missing. You're just gonna apply with how the proper procedure is done. I'm gonna reconnect the battery, this small connector right there. I'm gonna install the connector for the display, which is quite nice. Let's turn this on by plugging it in to the charger. and we'll see if we see anything. And it does show us the Apple logo. So I think this is not gonna boot up just yet. We have lots of screws still to be installed, so I think this is a good sign already. We're just gonna continue with our reassembly process. David is gonna remove the connector for the display, the connector for the battery as well. And then we are gonna transfer some components from the old broken display to the new one so that it can be connected on the upper part of the smartphone. I'm gonna test it again, and it does work now without the charger being plugged in. This is a good sign already. I'm gonna lift this up, and the final reinstallation of the new replacement display. I think we need to cover this up at this point now. So if you have any issues with your iPhone 13 Pro, you need a new display, new battery, new charging port, David can definitely help you out. He will even do other types of smartphones like Androids, and especially Asus ROG phones that some phone repair shops won't even touch. He will also fix Google Pixel smartphones and even entry-level Oppo, Xiaomi, Realme, Redmi, whatever Chinese smartphones you can think of. David will definitely have some parts for it. And if he has some parts for it, he will definitely do the repair for you at reasonable prices. So this iPhone 13 Pro is sorted out, showing us the home screen. Lovely results. So if you're outside of Sydney, you can also mail in your broken iPhone. We fix it here in the shop, and once we're done, we're gonna send it back to your address. Before you do that though, you message David first so you know what to do, where to send your smartphone, and pay up. So this is just the last step, the 2 screws, of course. And we'll see you again next time. If you like this video, you can like and subscribe, share this to a friend who needs a new display for their iPhone 13 Pro. And we'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.